Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. Today we are going to start reading the Quran Park. So just start with me. I hope we will be reading Quran Park on daily basis. So let's start.
باسم
You can see we have translation of every word.
الله الرحمن الرحيم.
So you can repeat in your mind and have a look on the meaning of the word. And if you feel you have to repeat the word, then you can just click on it.
الرحيم الرحيم.
Okay, and you can have a complete translation here. And in Urdu as well. Okay, so after this, I will play.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد
If you want to listen again, previous verse.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله
الحمد لله رب العالمين.
رب العالمين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. الرحمن الرحيم.
الرحمن الرحيم.
مالك يوم الدين.
مالك يوم الدين.
الرحمن الرحيم. مالك يوم الدين. إياك
إياك
You can expand and learn about that word. You can see here, translation and on. Iyaka. Mm.
نعبد وإياك
وإياك.
نستعين.
And if you want to say it by your voice, then it will be good. But keeping it in your mind, it is also good. So both ways will work.
نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
المستقيم. صراط الذين أنعمت
صراط الذين أنعمت أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. الضالين.
So we have completed all the words, and we almost look at the meaning of that word. And I hope it will help us to get the meaning of this uh, this whole surah when we will standing in our prayers. I hope it will work. So let's listen is completely for once.
عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين
Um, so we will meet in next video. I hope we will continue reading Quran Park. So please connect with me, subscribe, like, and share if you want. Um, my sole purpose is to read the Quran Park on daily basis. That's it. I hope we will connect and like we also want to read the Quran on daily basis. So if we will go with together, then it will be easy. Okay. Thanks. Bye. Allah Hafiz.